Anong channel ka?
Foreign media po ako.
Maganda, foreign media.
Para tayo ha.
Aberto.
Yeah, English. Mas maganda.
Even, you know, we are Filipino citizen. Why we got angry to Mr. Marcos? Because he is traitor. He traitor to President Duterte and Vice President Sara. You know, you foreign media, Marcos before, he go to Davao. He convinced him to go with him. He convinced Sara to be his running mate. Running mate. You know what happened? After that, he impeached Sara. He impeached Sara because of 125 million. Is that money? How about the Comelec? 150 million. The damage of that. Ano tawag doon? Yung ginawang botohan. Tagalogin ko na. Yung botohan na ginamit ng Comelec, 150 million. Dapat yun ang ipakulong. Bakit si Sara? Confidential fund nga, EDCA yan. Yung EDCA, hindi niya pwedeng sabihin kung sino mga gumamit ng pera. Confidential fund nga yun eh. Kunyari, EDCA, yung mga komunista, terorista, kung isa doon ang binigyan ni Sara, sasabihin ko ba, ako, lagay mo pangalan ko, di siyempre hindi, di pinatay ka.